Hi, it's DeeNice, and it's nice to see you. You know that April is Poetry Month, and we've been doing lots of poetry during this month. I hope you are too. You love poetry, and it's so easy to make. So that's what I thought we'd do today, make our own poem. This poem that we're going to make is called an acrostic poem. What that means is that you're going to take a word and write it going down. Yeah, down. And the word I chose to write down is my name. My name is DeeNice. D-E-E-N-I-C-E. DeeNice. Now what am I going to do with those letters? Well, in an acrostic poem, what you do is you think of something that is about you. For instance, I'm going to look at this D and think, what is it that I love to do? I love to eat. I love to think about something that connects with me. So, D, you know what I love to do? I love to dance. And the word dance begins with the letter D. So that's all I'm going to do. And I'm going to pick my pink color. I'm going to stick with the colors that I've used to write out my name. So now all I do is write the word dance. If you need help with that, you can go ask your family or friends, and I'll spell it out. D-A-N-C-E. Yes, DeeNice likes to dance. Let's go to our next letter in my name. The next letter is E. What E word describes me? How about excited? Ooh, or energetic. Oh, I've got lots of excitement and energy. I'm going to say energetic. E-N-E-R-G-E-T-I-C. Energetic. That was a big word, but now you know what energetic means. Exciting, energy. Then the next word is E, and that, now that word I can use again for excited. Can we use excited again? Why not? I do. I always get very full of energy. So I'm going to write excited in green, E-X-C-I-T-E-D. Notice I'm writing my letters in lowercase. You may write them in uppercase or lowercase. Either way is fine. Just start practicing your letter writing. Now the next color I need is red. And red is going to be for the letter N. And I have an idea. Since my name is DeeNice, maybe I should take the N and turn it into the word nice. Good. N-I-C-E. There it is. Nice. Ooh, this is looking so colorful and nice. The next letter is the letter I. Think about me. What do I like that starts with an I? Ooh, sometimes it's tricky, and you could take some time. It's okay. Don't rush into it. Think about things that really tell us about you. I like ice cream. Oh, perfect. Ice cream. I-C-E cream. C-R-E-A. Love ice cream. My favorite flavor is vanilla. Then we go to the letter, what letter is that? C. Ooh, C, that's a hard one. What do I like? That starts with a C. What do I do? Something about me. C, what do I like? I love to cook. Cook, perfect word. C-O-O-K spells cook. Nice. Oh, we're almost done with my acrostic name poem. The last letter is E. And E is for, I know what this is for. I do like to exercise. I try every day to get a little exercising to build up my muscles and stay healthy and strong. So here comes the word exercise. E-X-E-R-C-I-S-E. Exercise. Ta-da! That is an acrostic poem using my name, DeeNice. Dance, energetic, excited, nice, ice cream, cook, exercise. These are all things about me. Now you know a little bit more about me. Isn't poetry so much fun? I hope you're reading it and start writing your own poetry. Enjoy this part of learning how to read. And I'm glad we did this together. Let's do it again real soon. So thanks for joining us. Subscribe, like, you know the drill. Come back again. DeeNice says, do something nice.
Mimi's message, put a smile on someone's face today.
Friend shake.
Ooh, boom, boom. Air high five, spin, shake. See you soon.